Hi everybody, welcome to True Once. I'm so excited. I just turned my computer on and the choices are up on the IPSY. It is August the 1st. This is the new bag that they're going to be doing for us under the August Glam Bag Plus, where they choose 2 items and we get to choose 3 others. I'm so excited. I did not look at anything. We're going to be going through this together. Hopefully we'll be able to post this video and it will all be good and we'll see what happens. But if you are not subscribed to my channel, please take the minute now to look underneath this video. There is a red bar that says subscribe. If you press it and it turns gray, you are in. It is that simple. It's free. You also have a bell that's beside that button. I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. What ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. And you'll see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. Sometimes I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive like today, so I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out. So make sure to press that button and ring that bell, and then you'll get that email notification and you will be notified right away when this gets uploaded. All right, also please, if you're enjoying my content right underneath this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You can do it right now. It takes a second. The number will change and it will turn blue, and I will put my content in front of other people that haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. So thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right. So it says ultra personalization, build your perfect bag by choosing 3 out of the 5 products and shopping your add-ons. So here it's August 1st and they're giving us from the 1st to the 3rd to do this. So if you don't get to do it today, that's fine. You'll get to see what I'm doing. And then you can go in anytime between the 1st and the 3rd. This is the plus, and it is 5 full sizes. They chose 2, and we're going to get to choose the others. So let me see first what they chose and see what this is all about. Okay, it says your August Glam Bag, and the bag looks like it's going to be like they mentioned, and they said this bag is also going to change every month. Let's see what they wrote. It says the future is bright, shiny, and new, just like this month's futuristic holographic finish. Look inside and see what kind of beauty tomorrow holds for you. So it's a drawstring bag, and they're saying the outside of this is going to change monthly. So the first 2 products that they chose for me is a Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Liquid Lipstick in Feminist, and then an IPSY Black Magic Mascara. Okay, let's see what goes on next. Okay, so then it says your first choice. So let's go there. Okay, let's see what we have. Hope I'm getting everything on camera for you guys. Come on. Okay, build your perfect Glam Bag Plus. Discover your 2 personalized finds from IPSY. Choose 3 out of your 5 from a made-for-you assortment. Then complete your bag and you get to go to add-ons. So here they're showing me the 2 picks, and now it's saying next choose 3 items. So let's see here. And they also give you an option where you can skip your choice and just go directly to add-ons. Okay, and add-ons is a day early because add-ons are usually only on the 2nd when you get to see what's in your bags. So let's see where we are here. So let's see what it shows on the top here. It says, this is my Glam Bag Plus. Select your faves from your personal assortment. Okay, so these are my choices for my first pick. So I get to choose either the La Rue face set, which I've gotten this repeated about 3 times in my bags. I can't believe that's even an option. The next one is Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Scrub. And then the Dr. Scrub Ruby Crystal Micro Derm Exfoliator. And then the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. And then the Ciate London Triple XXX Mascara in black. I already own that. That's great. And I already own the brushes. And I think I already own this priming moisturizer from Perlise. I don't want to get a microderm exfoliating better clean face, and I don't enjoy coffee scrubs. So I think my choice on this one is going to be the Perlise. I'm just going to write it down, guys. The Beauty Priming Moisturizer. Okay, so I'm going to click the plus sign, and then everything else will get faded out, it looks like. And then here's my second choices. So then my second choices are between the Complex Culture Plush Powder Brush, the Ciate London Water Burst Pressed Setting Powder, a Thrive Cosmetic Liquid Lash Extension Mascara in Bryn, which is a rich black, and the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in medium. I have tried this Wonder Beauty foundation in a small sample size and I really enjoyed it. The Thrive mascara is a different type of mascara. A lot of people either love it or hate it. It's one that comes out with a tubing so that when you take it off, it comes off, the mascara comes off in like a tube, which means it like circulates around the eyelash. I'm not a huge fan of it, but I know a lot of people love it. Ciate London, another great brand. This is a pressed setting powder, and I think I already own the Complex Culture brush. If you don't, these are really high-end brushes that are made for, the Complex Culture is a brand I think that's owned by IPSY. So on this one, I think I'm going to grab the full size of the Wonder Beauty foundation in medium. It would be between that, sorry, I just hit the camera, or the Watermelon Burst, but I think I'm going to choose this. Okay, now choose your third product. So this, they have the Loaded Lip Polish in Glaze. They have the Laura Geller Longwear Eyeliner in Gilded Bronze, a Beauty for Real High Def Mascara in Just Black, and a Real Hair Eye and Amazing 24-hour eyeliner in black. Okay, so the Il Mask Loaded Lip Polish in Glaze is probably the one I'm going to go with because I am totally impressed with the Il Mask products. And it's a lip product in Glaze. The Laura Geller Longwear Eyeliner in Gilded Bronze. That looks interesting, but it looks like it's a gel type pencil. The Beauty for Real mascara is a really cool mascara. The wand, you can't even see the brush on the wand, but it really lengthens your mascara. I just got it and I'm really enjoying it. The only thing is, it's a really wet mascara, so it does lengthen your lashes, but you have to be very careful with it if you have smaller or hooded eyes, because it will transfer before it dries. So you just have to be patient with it and let it dry, but it really is a really good mascara. And then Real Her, another good brand. This is another eyeliner in black. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have been getting a lot of eyeliners in black. So hopefully there'll be enough options here that you'll be able to not choose that for yourself. Oh, look at that. If you click on the picture, it gives you more information about the product. And they're saying this isn't your average lip gloss. The Ultra Shiny formula gives you a mirror-like shine, nourishes, jojoba, conditions your lips. There's nothing gooey or sticky about this gloss. It's comfortable formula, fills, versatile formula, and they're saying this is a $25 value, but it's not telling you anywhere here what the actual color is, which is really weird. Yeah, I don't see it, Zero Flakes. Okay, so not much information there. Let's go back. And I'll choose it either way. Okay. And now it says confirm your choices. Okay, so I'm going to confirm it, but I'm just going to block the camera because sometimes when you confirm, a lot of personal information comes up. So give me 1 sec. And all I'm doing is pressing the button that says confirm. Okay, so now it's saying shop your add-ons, make your bag even better, treat yourself to the amazing deals, and select your 8 extra faves. So here it's showing me the items that I'm going to have in my bag. So I'm getting the Huda Beauty, I'm getting the Ico, which were the 2 they chose for me. Then I chose the lip polish in Glaze, the Wonder Beauty in medium, as well as the Pearlise Matcha. Fantastic. Okay, so now here are the add-on choices that will be added in your bag if you choose them, and this is an additional charge, these products. So they have 2 full sizes. One, this is unbelievable. Okay, the 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster and ATP Chiro Booster. I did a whole video on the 111 Skin. These boosters are fantastic. And the 111 Skin, that product alone, first of all, 111 Skin is a fantastic brand. On top of it, the 111 Skin in the black bottle that you're seeing there, that one on its own is the vitamin C. I have replenished that, I think, twice already, plus the original, so 3 times. This product sells for like, I think, over $150 or $180. The other item, I think, is around $135 on their website. These boosters are fantastic. If you want to know more, I did a really in-depth video on this, and it's really, really good. The next item here is from Huda Beauty. I already own this Mauve Obsession palette. It's fantastic. And the 2 colors that are in here, I own the Trophy Wife, and it also looks like it has, these are demi mattes, and they also have, it looks like Catwalk and some other things. This is fantastic. So if you love Huda Beauty, this is a great deal for $25. You're getting 2 of her liquid mattes, plus the pencil, the lip pencil, as well as the palette. This is fantastic choices for $25. Okay, the next choices are $18, and this you can choose the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Eyes Enzyme Water Cream. The Kate Somerville, I haven't tried that Sunday Riley yet. The Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior Hydrating Gel. Kate Somerville is a fantastic high-end product line for skincare. You just have to be really careful if you have sensitive skin because her products are very, very concentrated. Oh, they also have the Sunday Riley, the Luna Sleeping Night Oil. So if you didn't get that in the past, you have the choice now for $18. Juice Beauty, another fantastic stem cell cellular anti-wrinkle booster serum. This is a fantastic serum that also I think is an $80 value, and it's a really good product. I used it all the way, got a second one and used it completely till it was empty. This Derma Medicine Advanced Skincare Weightless Face Moisturizer SPF 25. I do have this. I haven't tried it yet. The Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette in Golden Sand. Fantastic. I own this. One of these is more of a cream base. The other 3 are powders. It is stunning. The palette is stunning. The picture on the front is stunning. It's a beautiful, beautiful palette. Oh, Dominique Cosmetics. This is her Prism highlighter. This came out about a year ago. The packaging on this is stunning. I enjoy Dominique Cosmetics. I do not own this, but she actually did her own video on this about a year ago. If you want to see any of the colors, you can take a look at that because these add-ons will be open for a couple days. The $12 choices, these are also full size. The Watermelon Burst Pressed Setting Powder, the La Roche Face Set, which I told you before, they run these brushes really, really expensive. The retail on this, so for $12, I think that's a steal. Then the Huda Beauty, if you didn't get your choices of the colors you wanted in your bag, you have some other choices here. This Estate Cosmetic got some really good reviews. I'm going to probably pick that one up. I'm going to have to look at that further. And then the Kelly Say Better Clean Face Scrub. So if I didn't choose it as my pick, I still had an option here to put it in my bag. The Purrelease Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. I own this. It's fantastic. There again, there's the Complex Culture you saw. That was one of my options, which I think is fantastic, so that if you couldn't decide, you're still able to add it. Then they have the Grace and Stella Rose Quartz Derma Facial Roller. I own this. I own this type of in a jade as well as this rose gold. They're nice. They're then for $12. It's a really great price. There's the mascara we already talked about, as well as the eyeliner from Laura Geller. Then we have the $3 add-ons. So we have the Glam Glow Bright Eyes. This was something I'm probably going to want to purchase. This is the Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. Then from Sunday Riley, I own this. It's a very, very small jar, guys. But if you want to test it or whatever, $3 for Sunday Riley is a great price. But I literally only got 2 uses out of it. Then if you're not sure, next time for the Thrive Mascara in the full size, here's a great way to try it. It's under the $3, so you can know more about it. And like I said, either people love it or they don't like it. For me, it fades more towards the not crazy about it, but it is a good mascara. It's just when it comes off, it doesn't come off the way I like. Then the Pixie by Petra, the Endless Silky Eye Pen in Matte Mulberry. Then they have this incredible mascara, Roller Baby, the original Rollerball Gloss in Rolling Like a Honey. I don't know this brand, but that sounds really interesting. Then they have the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm Watermelon Balm and Natural Tint. Hey Honey, fantastic brand, and to be able to try any of their products for $3 is a win. The Jersey Shore Cosmetic Moisture Rich Hydrating Lip Balm in Watermelon. A lip balm in watermelon sounds like a winner. This Skin Regime Essence, I just got introduced to this. I didn't try it yet. I think I got the cleanser, but this looks like it's an essence. The next one here that's a choice for the $3 is from Tony Moly. It's a Moisture Boost Cooling Algae Eye Serum. Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. These are ones I'm not familiar with, guys. Dewy Tree Pore Minimizing Serum. This Generation Clay Detoxifying Charcoal Australian Clay Mask. I have tried a couple of the Generation Clay products. Their masks are very good. I have the purple one. The next one here is from H2O. Plus, this is a new brand to me too. I just received this last month. I haven't had the opportunity to try it. I just now started putting away in an area where I just cleaned up that whole area to make room for this month to go through some of the products. And this is their Oasis Refreshing Gel Moisturizer. I'm going to have to check if I got the cleanser or the moisturizer. This is also really good. The Feel Brilliant Bamboo Charcoal Facial Sheet Masks. These are great. I have tried them and enjoyed them. This Pure Heals is starting to show up more and more, and it is a really good brand. This is their Ginseng Berry 80 Overnight Mask. I have used this and I have enjoyed it. The IPSY Beauty Eyeshadow in Bloom. IPSY, another great brand. So if you haven't tried their eyeshadows, the $3 section is where you start. Then the Araceli Beauty, the Gillesco Eye Single in Hiracha. I don't know that, but the Araceli Beauty, I got a couple of their eyeliner, their liquid eyeliners, and they're very good. This Kiss and Schmidt, these two I actually just purchased using my points. The Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Tavera and the Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Moretta's. I didn't receive them yet. I literally just purchased them before so that they'll show up in my boxes this month under my points. They ship them with your bags or boxes. You just never know which one it's going to show up in. Real Hair Color Rich Lip Gloss in Be Limitless. Getting really impressed with this Real Hair line. Lottie London AM and PM eyeliner in black. Lottie London was on ULTA's site for a long time, and every time I went to purchase something, it got sold out really quickly. So I'm happy this line is in the box so I have the opportunity to try it. Bubble Tea Cosmetics Peach Iced Tea Body Cream. This is good. I love body creams. I don't know the brand. Another item here, this Mind Tan, this coffee scrub. Some girls swear by the coffee scrubs, but what I have heard is it really makes a mess. So I did receive some full sizes and some FabFitFun boxes. I'm keeping them for when we're going to travel again, so that when I'm in a hotel, I think that's where I'll try it as opposed to in my home. Hemp's Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream. These Hemp's, they are fantastic. I have this in full sizes, and I got introduced to the brand in the $3 section. So if you haven't tried this yet, you know, I'm not into the big CBD and all of that, but this moisturizer is absolutely fantastic, and usually these come in different scents. So this one is blue. The one I have is more of a milky cream color. So if you haven't tried the Hemp's body lotions, this is really nice, but this looks like it's a whipped body cream. This is Safe Warrior hand sanitizer. If you guys need hand sanitizers, here they are. Cake Beauty, the Curl Friend Defining Cream. Cake Beauty, everything smells delish. Oh, another great brand, Briogeo. This is the Be Gentle Avocado and Kiwi Moisture Mask. Then from Kitsch, oh, I wanted these. They're already sold out. This is the Satin Sleep Scrunchies. I wanted to get those. Sorry, guys, it's already gone. Koki Cosmetics Mini Fix Up Spray. I added this also through my points. These were 600 points, so I'm going to be getting that. And then they have a couple of products. Okay, guys, I am going to close this video off here so that I will be able to play and choose some of my items for my add-ons, but that's how the new Plus bag works, so I wanted to share that with you. Once again, I appreciate so much that you guys spend any time out of your day that you spend it with me here. Good luck on your choices and your add-ons. I hope you all get what you want, and everybody continue to be safe and stay well, and I'll see you on my next video, hopefully for the unboxings. See you then. Bye for now.